Hey you guys, my name is Dee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a viewer request. Someone asked me to make a Cocone Clayton inspired intro. So I looked up who this person was, and she's a very adorable Australian, Filipino, I think, YouTuber. And so I kind of ripped her off. Anyway. Oh yeah, girl. So I let that run for a long time, so I didn't know like if you guys were gonna get crazy or whatever. So that's it. She has some other ones with just like stars and stuff that I think are pretty cute too, so I'll do some of those. Pretty simple, huh? Yes, yes, yes! Okay, if you have another request, then just leave it in the comments and then I'll make it for you. Okay, thanks, bye.